42.18. This is just puts capitulating. It's like 42.20 puts taking profit or rolling into tomorrow. Ding ding. Day's done. Well, that was an exciting drop into close. We still closed red on the day. Awesome. All those people earlier like looks awfully green. Anyway, yeah. I don't know who wins today. I'm pretty sure it's JFresh, but like let's just not say anything about it because he's already got an ego problem. Yeah, that's him. ES bounced a little bit into close, but nothing serious. This could keep selling off overnight. Yields rose up a little bit, but they're still down quite a lot. Dollar bounced back a little bit too, but again, not very much. VIX futures closing at 20. VIX at 20.50. RSP fell off really hard, but NASDAQ closed the day out up 40 BPS still. So just a ton of pump on NASDAQ. Correlation turned around a little bit, but not very much. And yeah, yields are way down, but they started moving back up towards the end of the day. So these might continue up into the overnight session. I think that's probably about it. We have PMI tomorrow morning before market open, or no, right after market open. So at 9:45. We have services and composite PMI. Services, composite, and manufacturing. Then we have Richmond Fed index at 10, and then a 2-year auction at 1. The 2-year auction could be interesting. If it came in low, ooh, yeah, that could be interesting, actually. It might push the yield curve a little bit on the 210. What strikes did you strangle with? End of day? 25 and 15. I bought it a little earlier, but we kept dropping. So I'm a little closer to the put side into close here, but I think it'll be fine. Ooh, I did not fill all of my call side on that. Anyway, that's gonna be awkward. I could buy an ES contract overnight. VIX correlation still continuing to break down, which is kind of the opposite of what we want to see here, or it's just extremely bearish. That's not really relevant right now. Dow got slaughtered into the end of the day. Bond volatility fell off a little bit today from its peak on Friday and moved alongside correlation there, but then it started to pick up again at the end of the day, and that might pick up some even more overnight. Forward returns for vol are still positive, so that's not letting up yet. And Dixie kind of started to turn around as we moved into the end of the day there. Around 3 o'clock it started to bounce. Maybe that'll pressure yen tonight, but not so much that they take more open market action. Today was fun. Thanks, and have a lovely evening. You too, Frosted Flakes. All right, well, good job, everyone. We'll see what the options data looks like tonight, but so far it looks like they're building up. A few puts to the downside. I would say the chain looks fairly similar to the way it did this morning. So, if we start to get some downside momentum in the overnight session, that might get a continuation into the early morning, and then obviously once again watch for a bounce. But I'll give you guys more information on that tonight when I do the write-up. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Later.